So here we are at Jumbo again, and this one is at Ceres. And I'm gonna take you there because it's huge. It's bigger than the one that I've been in Greece, and they have tons of stuff. So let's go inside. Merry Christmas! Hello everyone! As you can see, I'm having some fun at the store. You can see also it's huge. And this is the paintings that I did for my girls in the room. I got all the canvases from Jumbo. I will put the video that I made those paintings in the description box. This store is full with little things to make all kinds of crafts. And here are some very nice beach towels. This one is my favorite. And a big selection of notebooks. These ones are so cute. They're spoons for ice cream and cups. Don't you think the light blue is so pretty in that seashell? This is to use it for your watermelon, to cut it and all the juice goes down, and it's supposed to keep it fresher. If you're looking for plates, they have a huge selection. Oh, beautiful hats. I haven't seen so many bags in one place. So many colors and designs for any taste. This one is my favorite. And this one. This little purse that I showed you, it actually has a zipper, so that's very nice. This one doesn't have a zipper, but it's very cute. Don't forget to smile! pretty those are. And this one was very nice. Almost looked like real. This clock over here is very farmhouse. Now tell me, what do you think about these curtains? They're so pretty. I haven't seen them in Athens. Maybe they have brought them now, I don't know. But I thought they were very pretty. Those are very nice placemats. Those little cups, I use them for mouthwash. They're so good. And this mat, I actually have it in my kitchen. It's very pretty. And I can wash it anytime. I love rugs that you can wash them. This body scrub is very good. Somebody gave it to me as a gift and I tried it, the vanilla one, and it's amazing. So I recommend it. Beautiful clear boxes for organizing. Those are actually pens. I think they're very unique and pretty. Those are really good. Even if they don't taste nice, which I haven't tasted them. But even if it doesn't, it's great for decor for Christmas. reusable bag. They actually gave it to me also as a gift, and it's very good quality. Now the stroller that I'm going to show you, we have bought it for our girls when they were little, and it has served us so very well for everyday use. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in our next video. Bye.